Hello everyone. Now I am with my little brother Snigdho. Snigdhoda, come here. Now I am going to ask you few questions. You need to answer this question. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, so first question is what is your full name?
my full name is Snigdho Talukdar.
Okay, how old are you?
Now I am 11 years old.
You are 11 years old. That sound great. Where are you live now?
Now I live in Naranganj.
Okay, that's fine. What class do you read in?
I read in class 5.
Okay, what is your school name?
My school name is Vidyaniketan High School.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so do you like to go school every day?
Yeah, I like to go to school every day.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Oh, that's fine. Do you love to learn English?
Yeah, I love to learn English.
Okay, that sounds great. Okay, who in school who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Shuli Maksud.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, so how many friends you have in your school?
I have 10 friends in my school.
Okay, among them, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Omadi and Istiak.
Oh, that's fine. You have three best friends.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so do you love to play?
yeah, I love to play.
Okay, which sports you like most?
I I like most cricket.
Cricket. Okay, in cricket, who is your favorite player?
In cricket, my favorite player is Glenn Maxwell.
Okay, which country he is playing cricket?
He playing Australia.
Australia. Do you love to watch his batting?
Yeah, I love to watch his batting.
Okay, that's fine. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. All the best.